Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental processes of life itself, glycolysis. Sounds fancy, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to break it down for you in a way that's super simple and, dare I say, fun. Imagine you're a glucose molecule. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but stick with me. You're this tiny sugar molecule floating around, minding your own business. But then, you get a call to action. The cell needs energy, and you, my sweet friend, are about to be transformed. Step 1. You meet your first new friend, hexokinase. This enzyme is like your welcome committee. It adds a phosphate group to you, turning you into glucose 6-phosphate. Think of it as getting a new ID badge. Next up, phosphoglucose isomerase. This enzyme helps you switch things up, literally. You morph into fructose 6-phosphate. Now I know what you're thinking. That was quick. But hold on, the journey's just begun. Here comes phosphofructokinase. This guy's a bit of a control freak. Adds another phosphate group to you, making you fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. It's like getting a second badge, just in case you lose the first one. Now you split into two. Yep, you heard me right. Thanks to aldolase, you're now two molecules, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Twinsies? But wait, dihydroxyacetone phosphate says, I want to be like my twin. So, triose-phosphate isomerase steps in and converts it into another molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Now you've got double the energy potential. Now the real magic happens. Each glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecule goes through a series of transformations, thanks to multiple enzymes like glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase and phosphoglycerate-kinase. By the end, you end up with pyruvate. And guess what? You produce ATP and NADH in the process, the cell's energy currency. If there's no oxygen around, don't worry. You can still be useful as lactate. But with oxygen, you head to the mitochondria for the Krebs cycle. Talk about a multi-talented molecule. And there you have it. From a simple glucose molecule to energy-giving pyruvate. Glycolysis might sound complicated, but it's just a series of steps, each with its own little twist and turn. So next time you eat something sweet, remember the journey your glucose takes. It's not just a sugar rush, it's a life-sustaining dance. Thanks for tuning in. If you love this breakdown, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more sciencey goodness. Stay curious, my friend.